Tired of squinting at your phone screen and dealing with constant interruptions while trying to build your Monopoly empire? Today, we are leveling up your game by showing you how to bring the fast-paced action of Monopoly Go to the big screen of your Mac. Step by step first, you will need to download an Android emulator for your Mac. A great option is BlueStacks to download. Simply go to BlueStacks.com in your browser. Once on the website, locate the download button for macOS and click it. Follow the on-screen prompts to install BlueStacks on your Mac. After installation, launch BlueStacks. You may need to sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. Enter your credentials when prompted, or if you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Now, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Monopoly Go and press enter. Locate the official Monopoly Go game by Scopely in the search results and click install. The game will now download and install within the BlueStacks environment. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, click open to launch Monopoly Go, and that's it. You are now playing Monopoly Go on your Mac. Take some time to explore BlueStacks features, like customizing keyboard controls for a more optimized experience. You can also adjust graphical settings within the emulator for the best performance on your machine. Now go forth and dominate the board. Happy monopolizing!